What's going on, guys? I have one question. How do you make sure that a food production remain at a high safety standard without physical inspection? That has been the question agencies such as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration are working on. With all the continued lockdowns in the food industry regarding fine dining, fast food establishments, even grocery store restrictions are getting ridiculous in some towns and states. But do you notice these establishments that you spend your money in, do you see anything implemented with the employees in regards to the new safety standards that are taking place? How many of their employees know about the clean first, then sanitize method? Do you know you could purchase a MERV filter for your establishment that has a virus protection rating? With those in place along with a constant airflow, this will help assist in combating the virus in your establishment. If the FDA comes down to your establishment and asks what do you have in place to ensure the safety of your consumers and customers, what are you going to show them? The arrows in the aisles? How about the safe distancing tape that they got on the ground? Or how about the handmade sign that says mask required before entering? Here I'm going to show you how you can reinforce your establishment and show the FDA if and when they make that visit that your food establishment is ready, and so are your employees. In the description below, I'm going to leave some links for you to check out. So let's get started with number one. So the first one is HASSA. The purpose of this course is to inform individuals who handle food and beverages on how to lower the risk to consumers and to themselves when conducting takeout, pickup, and delivery. It covers the process from food packing and picking to the delivery to the customer. This course includes overviews of COVID-19, examining symptoms, transmission, and how the virus has impacted the food industry businesses. It also covers everything you need to know about the Health and Sanitation Safety Awareness Program. The HASSA course is recommended for food handlers, waiters, waitresses, bartenders, chefs, cooks, grocery store employees, food delivery drivers. Now on to number two, hazardous Analysis and Critical Control Point, better known as HACCP. This training courses teach you about the characteristics and application of an A plan. Additionally, the course complies with the FDA code and the USDA requirements for school districts. HACCP plan implementation. You'll learn how to apply science and technology to the plan, control, and document safe food processes at your seafood, dairy, juice, and other kinds of food services facilities. At a high level, this course covers principles and concepts behind the HACCP plan, how to identify chemical and physical hazards, facility cleaning and food processes, as well as personal hygienes, how HACCP is applied to active managerial control, also better known as AMC. This course is recommended for upper management in any food establishment. These skills can now be taught to your employees that has the additional HASSA certification at a much lower cost. So don't wait till the last minute when they come knocking on the door. In return, you have to cram all this information to the management team and your employers to make the deadline if one is given. So prepare and make the time now to get certified and be ahead of the game and keep your doors open to the public. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave those likes, help me with my algorithm, and don't forget to comment below. Many thanks, be safe. Markie Williams, I'm out.